What if one AI could replace 5 of the apps you use every single day? Imagine writing, creating, researching, and solving problems without switching between different tools. Need to write content, create images, analyze documents, research the web, or even build code? ChatGPT brings all these powerful tools together in one intelligent assistant. That's why millions of people use ChatGPT every day. But with dozens of new AI tools launching in 2026, is it still the smartest choice? Let's find out. ChatGPT is an advanced AI assistant developed to help people work faster, learn more, and create better content with simple conversations. Instead of opening multiple websites and apps, you simply ask one question and receive fast, helpful answers in just a few seconds. Whether you're a creator, student, freelancer, developer, or business owner, ChatGPT helps you save time and accomplish more every single day. The biggest reason people choose ChatGPT is simple. It saves valuable time, reduces repetitive work, and helps you stay focused on what really matters. Need a YouTube script? A professional email? Or a complete blog post? ChatGPT creates strong first drafts in just a few seconds. Content creators use ChatGPT to brainstorm video ideas, write captions, create SEO articles, and produce marketing content much faster than before. Developers rely on ChatGPT to explain code, fix bugs, generate functions, and even speed up website and app development projects. Business owners use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, create marketing campaigns, respond to customers, and generate professional business documents in minutes. Students use ChatGPT to understand difficult concepts, summarize textbooks, prepare for exams, and improve essays, while learning more efficiently. One of ChatGPT's biggest upgrades is built-in image generation, making it easy to create professional visuals without switching to another app. You can even upload PDFs, spreadsheets, screenshots, or photos, and ChatGPT quickly explains the information in a simple and useful way. For millions of users, ChatGPT has much more than a chatbot. It's an everyday productivity partner for work, creativity, and learning. Is ChatGPT perfect? Not always. Like any AI, it can occasionally make mistakes, especially with unclear prompts or highly specialized questions. For medical, legal, or financial decisions, always confirm important information using trusted professionals and reliable sources. So, is ChatGPT still worth using in 2026? Absolutely. It combines writing, coding, research, image generation into one powerful AI assistant. If you're looking for one AI tool that can help with almost everything, One AI Review's Smartest AI Reviews 6. One assistant, and I'll see you in the next video.